In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro with a student email. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to provide, and how to submit your verification so you can unlock Canva's premium features for free through their education program. First, open your browser and go to the Canva homepage by typing canva.com into the address bar. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account that you want to upgrade. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in or create a free account before moving on. Once you're on the Canva home screen and signed in, look toward the left-hand side of the page for your profile icon. This might show your initials or a small picture if you've added one. Click on that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Plans and Pricing. This will take you to a page that shows the different Canva subscription options available. On the Plans and Pricing page, look for the section dedicated to education. It may be labeled Education or for Education. Click on that. This is where Canva groups all the special offers for teachers and students, including access that's similar to Canva Pro. Next, under the Education tab, you'll see different roles. Choose the option for teachers and then click on the button that says Get Verified. This starts the verification process so Canva can confirm that you're eligible for free access. You'll now see a form where you need to fill in your details. Carefully enter your full name, your role, the name of your school or institution, and most importantly, your school or student email address if you have one. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, especially your email, because that's how Canva will verify you. If you don't have a school email, look for the checkbox that says something like, I don't have a school email, and tick that. Canva may then ask for additional proof of your affiliation, so be ready with a document from your school if needed. After filling in all the required information, click on Continue to move to the next step. Canva will now prompt you to select a document to upload as proof. This could be an ID card, enrollment form, or any official document from your school that clearly shows your name and your connection to the institution. Once you've chosen the appropriate file from your device, confirm your selection and click Continue again. After this, your application will be submitted for review. Canva will process your information and, if everything checks out, your account will be upgraded to access Canva's education features, giving you many of the benefits of Canva Pro at no cost.